Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to create Apple ID full guide. First of all, open up the settings in your phone. Then tap on your Apple ID option. After that, click on the email section and tap on Create Apple ID. Enter the first and last name, then enter your date of birth and click to continue. Now tap on the email address and enter your new email address here, which will be your new Apple ID. Then click to continue. After that, enter your password. Verify your password and click on Continue. Now enter your phone number, then verify your phone number through message or call. And click to continue. Now, you will receive a verification code on your phone number. Enter the code and then click to agree. For the last step, enter your iPhone passcode. And now you have successfully created your Apple ID. You can see your Apple ID from the settings. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.